Welcome back, gamers. In today's video, we'll show you how to report a game for fraud or scam on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. 1. Open Facebook. 2. Click on the game's icon from the upper bar. 3. Click on the desired game. 4. From the right menu, click on the 3 dots icon. 5. Select Report to Facebook. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose the option Report to Facebook. 6. Select Fraud or Scam. In the reporting options, select the category Fraud or Scam. 7. Click on Done. Finally, click on the Done button to submit your report. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can help keep the gaming community safe by reporting any fraudulent or scam activities on Facebook. Remember, your diligence can make a difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Happy gaming, and stay safe out there. See you in the next video.